Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now my another topic in digital electronics series is half subtractor and full subtractor. So here half subtractor, just like a full subtractor, it is a 2-bit subtraction. Okay, now 2 bits are AB 00, 01, 10 and 11. 4 possible combinations are there, and there in a full half adder there is a sum and borrow, carry, and here is a borrow and difference. So 0 minus 0, it will be A minus B. So 0 minus 0, that is 0, and borrow is 0. 0 minus 1, when we do 0 minus 1, that we should take a borrow. So we take borrow, that is 1, and difference is also 1, because we take in a binary the base is taken, where I have shown you how to differentiate, how to subtract the binary. You can go there. So when we take a borrow, 2 minus 1 is 1, then the difference is 1 and borrow is 1. 1 minus 0 is 0, borrow and 1 difference. And 1 minus 1, that is 0, and borrow is also 0. So now we will make a K-map for difference. Difference will be 0, 1, that is A is 0, that is A, and this is B. A is 0, B is 1, that is A0, B1, and A1, B0. So here are 2, that's why that's make A bar B plus A B bar. It is also a XOR gate. Now for borrow you can check A0 and B1, A0 and B1, this one. Okay, now the equation will be A bar B. So we can make a diagram like this is A plus A bar B, that will be like this. XOR A B XOR, that is difference. You can say A XOR B. Now this is A bar, this will be A bar, and B going through AND gate, that will be your borrow. So this will be A bar B. So this is our circuit diagram. This is just like a full adder, but the difference is A bar B. Now we will talk about full subtractor. Okay, now we will talk about full subtractor. Full subtractor is 3-bit subtractor, and it will be like A minus B minus C, or it can be A minus B plus C. Now you can see 0 minus 0 minus 0, that is difference is 0, borrow is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 1 is difference is 1, borrow is 1. But 0 minus 1, difference is 1, borrow is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So difference is 0 and borrow is 1. Now 0 1 1, you can check difference 0, borrow 1. 1 minus 0, that is difference is 1 and borrow is 0. You can check the equations, and 1 minus 1, that is 0, 0 minus 1, borrow 1, difference 1. Now we will make a K-map for A, B, C. So you can make a K-map 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So and borrow will be like this: A B C 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now you can check where difference is 1, that is 1 2 4 and 7. So we can make 1 2 4 and 7. It is just like a full adder. You can check, that is these. Now the equation is A bar B bar C plus A bar B C plus A B bar C bar plus A B C. So you can now if you take a bar common, the b bar c plus bc, and if you take a common, b bar c bar plus here it is a b bar c bar, so this is c bar, and this is a common, b bar c bar and bc. So you can take it a bar b XOR c and plus a, this will be a XOR c. So I am writing here a XOR c is a XOR bar, a bar b XOR c plus a XOR c का whole bar. So it will be like a b and c. I have solved this in a full adder also. Now I will explain this. The borrow will be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we will take only one position, that will be 1, 2, 3 and 7. So we will make grouping like this and this. So the equation of borrow is, this is a difference, and borrow equation is for this group, that is a bar and c, plus for this group a is eliminated, only bc is there, plus for this group a bar and only b is there. So here you can take you can make a circuit diagram like a bar, b bar, c bar, so 3 input and XORing, that will be a bar plus b bar plus c bar, that will be your difference. Now this is a, b, c, and for borrow you can check, that is a bar will be like this, not gate. Now this will be a bar, so a bar and c and gate. Now bc, so bc, here you take c and here you can take b, all are going to AND gate, and a bar c, this is a, you can take a and you can take b, here a bar b, this is a bar b, this is a bar c, and this is bc. Now all are going to the OR gate, so you will give this to the OR gate. So this is borrow. Okay, this is borrow. So this is a circuit diagram for full subtractor. Now I will talk about how to make full subtractor using half subtractor. Just like how to make full adder using half adder, I will talk to you that how to make full subtractor using half subtractor. So full subtractor is a minus b minus c. You can also write it a minus b plus c. The difference is full subtractor is a XOR b XOR c. I have explained earlier. Now b0. Let's suppose b0, or we can say bf, and this is difference of full subtractor. This is half subtractor and bh. Now bf is a bar b plus a bar c plus bc, and in a half subtractor a minus b. So half subtractor difference is a XOR b and borrow is a bar b. So full subtractor and half subtractor. Now let's suppose we take one subtractor this and two subtractor like this, and give one half subtractor output to the second difference to the second half subtractor. Now the final difference is like this. For borrow we take first borrow and second borrow. After this we give the OR gate. Now I will explain, or I will solve the equation. So you can check half subtractor. First half subtractor output will be a bar b, because two inputs are given, so it will be a XOR b. Now a XOR b, and b1 will be a bar b. Okay, now half subtractor 2. Half subtractor 2 will be half subtractor 2 will be, difference will be A XOR B, because this is D1, and third is like this, that is XOR C. So the half subtractor, we will take half subtractor 2. The difference is, that will be D1 XOR C. D1 is like this, so A XOR B XOR C. That will be the output of full subtractor. Now we will take about half subtractor borrow. So it will be D1 C bar, D1 bar and C. So we will take D1 bar C. So that will be given to the OR, and second is given to the like full subtractor. So we take full subtractor. This is full subtractor borrow is B0. We can say B0 also. Final output B0 is B1, that is like this, and B0. Okay, so this will be B1 and B0. B1 is A bar B. You can check A bar B. We have right here A bar B, and this one D1C. I have written like this. So D1C. A bar B, D1 is A plus B, A XOR B ka whole bar into C. So it will be A XOR bar, that will be A XNOR. So A bar B plus AB plus A bar B bar dot into C. So I have written this A bar B plus ABC and A bar B bar C. But it is just not a output of full subtractor like A bar B AC. So we will make a K map here. So this is our K map. How can we write A bar B? You can check where C is eliminated, A bar B. So we can write it for A bar and B. When C is eliminated, then C. We can write it here. Okay. Now ABC we can write here because A, B, C. Now A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. We can write it here. Okay. Now we can make grouping like this, and like this. Now it will be A bar, and here that will be B is eliminated, there is C, plus here to here A is eliminated. Now we have only BC, plus here to here A bar and C is eliminated, that is B. Now you can check, that is A bar B, A bar C and BC. This is the output of full subtractor. You can check. Okay. Now we can make a full subtractor using two half subtractor. So this is my session for today. If you have any query regarding this session, please comment me in a comment box. I will explain there. If you have any doubt, please comment and please give some feedback. Thank you. Good day.